What is up guys, in this video we will learn to upload video on our channel from Android.
Before starting the video, I would like to give random shout out to our subscriber. If you want to get shout out, then don't forget to comment below. Now let's begin the video.
At first, open YouTube app. Click on upload video. Then select the video. After selecting the video, add title and description. Go to next. Click on upload. Select manage video. You can see our video is uploading. By this way, you can upload your video on your channel.
We are coming with YouTube series, so make sure to access our playlist YouTube series for beginners. Thanks for watching.